How to fix Discord notification not showing? For that, you just have to enable the notification. For that, simply long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. And from there, under privacy, you'll find notification. Simply tap on the notification panel and make sure that your notification is allowed. If it is toggled off, all notifications from this app are blocked. So make sure that you toggle this on. And also make sure that your device is on sound and vibration so that you get alerted. If it is on mute, even if it shows on your navigation bar, you won't be notified because you will not know. If your phone is on silent, and you just have to manually look. So make sure you keep it on sound and vibration, and you can also choose where you want to see the notification, like even if the lock screen, app icon, badge, notification pop-up, you can tick all of these on so you don't miss any updates. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.